I'm Vince.
And I'm Deanna.
And together we make the travel show Life Doesn't Suck.
We were born and raised here in Southern California, and we thought that we'd seen all the sights.
Turns out we haven't.
So we're gonna get up off this couch and go explore California. Join us every Friday at 3 o'clock for a new episode. We're on our way to Escondido Falls.
What is Escondido Falls?
Escondido Falls are some waterfalls in Malibu.
Malibu Falls, as a lot of people know, but I think it's Escondido Park. So.
Okay, it's Escondido Park, Malibu Falls. It's a hike. It's supposed to be really nice. However, it rained a couple days ago, but this is California and the water soaks into the...
Yeah, we have a water problem.
We do.
Water shortage.
We have a shortage, we have a drought. So I'm not expecting spectacular falls. There might be a trickle. Just up this road, a little ways, is the Malibu Waterfall.
We're on our way up to the hike of the waterfall, and we are surrounded by houses that look like that, which I'm going to look up how much that house is valued at, and I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere. But that's a constant reminder that I need to work harder.
It's a beautiful house.
Look at that, one person lives there.
They've got some cool artwork in the yard too. It moves with the wind. Oh. I'm gonna strike a cool pose for.
You're gonna lose. This creek bed is dry. That might indicate that there's not going to be any water in the waterfall. I think there's supposed to be water in this creek bed.
Probably.
Did I ever tell you that I used to have the nickname Driftwood?
No, you did not.
One time at camp, I was floating down the river, drifted into a campsite, had sex with a girl, and then drifted away. Driftwood.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Deanna's changing. Oh, so refreshing to dry off in this waterfall.
Nice. Of course, California is in a drought.
So nice after that hike here to just deal with this pleasant, lovely waterfall.
And we're in mid-May. Oh my goodness.
God, I could just feel the water trickle through my hair. It's not gonna happen. Gotta pick up speed. Gotta pick up speed. God damn it. I tried to get up there. She fell asleep. She woke up. Sleepy again.
We're here at Paradise Cove Cafe in Malibu.
Where you can rent a lounge chair for the day.
Yep, worth it.
Or you get, there's like deck chairs over there.
Very nice.
And hang out at the beach, and then you have access to bathrooms and a bar, drinks.
Ooh, bar.
Drinks.
Muy importante.
It's kind of expensive.
It is, but you know
It's
what?
like $20 for a hamburger.
It's a great atmosphere and it's a good place. It's, you know, it's
Yeah.
really pretty.
Definitely it has.
Yep,
it has
I think
atmosphere.
it's, you know, it's worth it.
Our table's on the beach. We get to put our toes in the sand here. My $20 burger, I got tomatoes. Deanna's a pig with her french fries.
So one of the cats
Well, my wish is coming true.